To evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. When you observe here this problem, this can be written as 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus this can be written as 1 by cos theta. Similarly, 1 plus this can be written as cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. Okay, this is our first step. So, what is this? You have to take the LCM here. What is LCM over here? Cos theta. Just take down cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Okay students, after taking LCM we got cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Okay students, after writing this step, you just try to observe here. You treat this cos theta plus sin theta to be A and this one to be B. Similarly, this cos theta plus sin theta you treat it to be A and this one to be B. So, when you treat into such a way, what can you observe? This will be the form of A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula for A plus B into A minus B? That is A square minus B square. Is that right? So, you write since A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. That is equal to A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. That is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is nothing but what is that one? What will be our LCM? Cos theta into sin theta. Now again, when you observe this is in the form of A plus B whole square. You know what is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Let us expand this cos theta plus sin theta in terms of A plus B whole square. Okay, when we expand this, what you are going to get? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. And we are aware of the identities. We have already learned. What is that? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. We will remain with 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta cos theta will get cancelled. We remain with 2. Under square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. So, let us solve this problem. Okay. Take down LHS 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sine A. So when you observe this type of problem here, it is in the form of square root, and in the denominator you have 1 minus sine A. So better, best for this type of problems you need to rationalize it. You have to rationalize the denominator. When you rationalize the denominator, the rationalizing factor of this 1 minus sine A will become what, students? 1 plus sine A. Okay. So now that implies multiply the numerator and denominator multiply the numerator and denominator with what? 1 plus sine A. So that implies, check here, 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A by 1 plus sine A. Again we will check it here. A plus B into A plus B. A plus B whole square. 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A. That is nothing but, what is that one? A plus B whole square. That is 1 plus sine A whole square. Just split up the roots by A minus B into A plus B. What is that one? A square minus B square. That is under square root of 1 minus sine square A. The square and root will get cancelled. It will be remain with 1 plus sine A by what is 1 minus sine square A? That is nothing but it is under square root of cos square A. The square and root get cancelled. So you remain with 1 plus sine A by cos A. That implies, split up this 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A plus sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Hence we have proved. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is very important question for 4 marks question, students. So let us take that LHS and we will prove this solution. Okay. What is LHS here? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Now we are going to expand this. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. Again when you check that one also, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? We know that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2A. So let us expand in that form. So that is sin square A plus cos square. This is cosecant square. So that is cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A. This is first bracket plus, let us go with this expansion, that is cos A plus secant A whole square. So when you go with that expansion, you will have cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. 2 cos A secant A. Okay, right. Now what we are going to do is, We'll take out these brackets and we'll try to form a pairs such that we are going to get some identities in the problem. When you open that, you are going to get it sin square A plus cos square A. The sin square A and cos square A I am writing together. Cos square A plus this cosecant square A plus secant square A I am writing together. Cosecant square A plus secant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A, 2 sin A cosecant A plus 2 cos A secant A, 2 cos A secant A. Okay, students. So, in the next step, what we are going to get it? Just take it care. Sin square A plus cos square A is what? According to our identities which we have learned, that is equal to 1 plus cosecant square A. Now, this cosecant square A, we have again from identities that cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Now we want the value of cosecant square A. If you want the value of cosecant square A, you are going to get 1 plus cot square A. So, that is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So the value of cosecant square A is nothing but 1 plus cot square A. Okay? And next secant square A. Again we have from identities secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. That implies if you want the value of secant square A from here, you will have 1 plus tan square A. Just replace that. Plus, what is secant square A? 1 plus tan square A plus 2 sin A, 2 sin A, and cosecant A, can I write 1 by sin A again? Plus 2 cos A, again this secant A I am writing in the form of 1 by cos A. Here cos A get cancelled, sin A gets cancelled. So when you observe here, you are going to get what? Let us take that. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, which is our RHS, that is equal to RHS. Next one, show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. So we need to take LHS. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. So that implies 1 minus tan square A by, let us write this cot square A as 1 by tan square A minus 1. That implies 1 minus tan square A by, take on the LCM here in the denominator part. Why? Because 1 minus tan square A by tan square A, we get in this form. Okay students, this is our step. So that implies 1 minus tan square A by 1 minus tan square A by tan square A. So when you shift this to the numerator, what it becomes? It becomes tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A will get cancelled. We remain with tan square A, which is equal to RHS. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? This is very important for one more question here, which you may get in different forms like MCQ, Phillips, and followers. What is given? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Okay? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is from definition, no? Identity definition is equal to 1. That implies you can write this as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. What is secant theta plus tan theta? P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. You are going to find out the value of secant theta minus tan theta. The value will be found to be 1 by P. Hence the value of secant theta minus tan theta will be equal to 1 by P. Okay, next question. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then we are supposed to prove that k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equal to cos theta. This is very important repeated question for the examination point of view for 4 marks question students. Okay. So in order to prove this problem, first and foremost, we have to check what is given and what we are supposed to do. For this, we are going to take RHS and we are going to prove this. So let us consider RHS here. What is RHS? A square minus 1 by a square plus 1. Okay. So that implies, let us take that one. What is k according to our given problem? Cosecant theta plus cot theta. Substitute here. Cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by what is k value? Cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Okay. Now you just try to expand this, students, here. When you try to expand a plus b whole square, what is that one? That is cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta, 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 by again a plus b whole square, that is cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. Okay. When you observe here, we have identity here now, students. Cosecant square theta minus 1 is what? Cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta by cosecant square theta. See here, when you observe here cot square theta plus 1 is what? According to the identity, it is cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. That implies cot square theta plus cot square theta, 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta by cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta, 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta and cot theta. The common part you observe here, 2 cot theta. Let us take 2 cot theta common. If you take 2 cot theta common, you will remain with what? Cot theta plus cosecant theta by, take 2 cosecant theta common here, will remain with what? Cosecant theta plus cot theta. This and this will get cancelled. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will remain with cot theta by cosecant theta. Okay. Now that implies cot theta can be written as how? Cos theta by sin theta, and cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. When you shift this to the numerator, it becomes what, students? Cos theta by sin theta into sin theta. Here sin theta will get cancelled. You will remain with cos theta, which is equal to what? Our given question. That is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equal to cos theta. That is RHS, which is proved. Hence proved. So that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by cos 1 plus cos theta. Here we are going to consider LHS, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So this cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole square. So that implies you can write this as 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, that implies what? 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. That implies 1 minus cos theta whole square by, you can write this as sin theta whole square. Write separate squares. So 1 minus cos theta whole square. You can write this 1 minus cos theta as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. You get same by sin square theta. So sin square theta can be written as what? You have identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Now how can we write this one? You can write this one as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This 1 minus cos square theta, that is a square minus b square. That means you can write it in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta will get cancelled. Will remain with 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to our RHS. So we need to show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. So when we are solving this type of problem, we have learned about the quadrants like all silver teacups. Okay, based on that one we need to solve this type of problem here. Let us take that tan 48 degrees. Let us write the same question here. Tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So this tan 48 degrees can be written as tan 90 minus 42 degrees. Okay, into tan 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees can be written as tan 90 minus 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Tan 90 minus theta. What is that one? Cot theta. Why? Because in the first quadrant all are positive. What I told? For 90 and 270, sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Cosecant becomes secant, secant becomes cosecant. So tan 90 minus 42 is, that is equal to cot 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees. Again tan 90 minus 74 degrees, that is cot 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So this cot can be written as 1 by tan 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees into cot 74 can be written as 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. The tan gets cancelled, again tan gets cancelled, is equal to